Have you ever thought that some of your quietest habits might be the ones destroying your self-respect and the respect others once had for you? You don't need a scandal. You don't need a huge mistake. Just 5 silent habits. And the man you were proud of becomes a shadow of himself. But this isn't a video to shame you. It's a wake-up call and a map to help you find your way back through a philosophy that has guided men for over 2,000 years. The wisdom of Stoicism. Let's start with the first habit, the one that kills your confidence. Silently, needing constant approval. Have you ever changed your opinion just to avoid judgment? Agreed with your boss even when you knew he was wrong? Tried to please your partner by becoming someone you're not? Every time you do that, you send a message to the world and to yourself. I'm not enough unless someone else approves of me. Epictetus said it best. Don't trade your peace of mind for someone else's approval. A Stoic man like Marcus Aurelius didn't need applause to know he was right. He followed his own values, whether the crowd cheered or not. Today's Stoic action. Write down 3 things you did today just to please others. Then ask yourself, was it worth it? Now let's look at the second habit. One that quietly tells the world, I don't respect myself. Poor personal hygiene. This isn't just about being clean. It's about the silent message your appearance sends. A man walks into a room with body odor, dirty nails, messy hair. He doesn't have to say a word. People already judged him. In America, in the office or on a date, the first impression shapes 80% of how people see you. And if you think, I'm smart, that's enough, you're missing the point. A former U.S. soldier once said, I polish my boots every day. Not for my superior. For my own self-respect. Stoic lesson. Self-discipline begins with the smallest things. If you can't control your body, how will you ever master your mind? Now we come to the third habit. The one that destroys trust and power. Anger and emotional outbursts. Have you ever seen a man yelling, slamming the table, losing it? Did he seem strong? No. People saw one thing clearly. He couldn't control himself. A famous CEO once screamed at his team and threw things during meetings. The result? People feared him but no longer respected him. And without respect, he lost everything. Stoicism teaches, don't react. Master your reaction. Next time you feel like exploding, stop. Take a breath. And ask yourself, am I acting on emotions or living by my values? Calm is not weakness. Calm is the highest form of masculine strength. Fourth habit. One you may think is harmless, but it slices away at your soul every time. Dishonesty. Have you ever lied to avoid hurting someone's feelings? Hidden the truth out of fear? Every lie, even a small one, is a step away from your true self. A politician once lied about a minor detail. When it came out, he didn't just lose credibility. He lost everything. Because when people stop believing you, you stop believing in yourself too. Marcus Aurelius wrote, if it's right, do it. If it's true, speak it. Today's Stoic strategy. Once a day, practice brutal honesty. Say one hard truth you usually avoid. Not for others, but because your integrity is the foundation of your self-worth. Now, the fifth and final silent killer. Jealousy and possessiveness. Have you ever checked your partner's phone? Felt jealous just because she laughed with someone else? That's not love. That's insecurity in disguise. Jealousy doesn't say, I love you. It screams, I don't feel good enough. So I'm scared of losing you. Stoicism teaches, no one belongs to you. Love walks beside you. It doesn't lock someone in. Want to stop feeling jealous? Don't try to control others. Rebuild your trust in yourself. Set boundaries. Live by your values. And never tie your self-worth to someone else's behavior. So what now? If you saw yourself in any of these 5 habits, don't panic. You've already made it halfway. Because now you see it. The rest is action. Change. Rebuilding the man you were always meant to be. Stoicism doesn't ask you to be perfect. It teaches you to master yourself. A little more, each day. Because men aren't destroyed by enemies. They're destroyed by the silent habits they refuse to face. Keep your self-respect. Take back control. And build yourself again through Stoic self-mastery. If this video gave you value, Share it with one man you respect. Someone you want to see rise, not fall.